Hey everyone, welcome to my review channel. So I actually got this stand to review for a tablet, but I'm also going to try and see if I can use it with my phone as well. So I don't have to spend 16 bucks for a cool little phone holder that I don't need. So this is supposedly for a tablet, which I will also use and test out and show you guys, but we're also going to see if we can use our phone. It says 4 to 13 inches, so I'm thinking we might be able to use our phone. And if you're interested, there's a link in the video description. Okay, so this is it. Oh, I like this. This actually looks a lot nicer in person than online. So you just simply move it around how you want to position it. It's metal, and you just lift it up or down however you want. So let's go ahead and place our phone right here. Oh wow, wow, it holds our phone perfectly. This is really cool, and we could rotate it so we can actually use this to make videos. I mean, look at the angle. We can go straight up. Actually, we could even tilt it backwards or the whole way back down. Wow, very impressed with this. Let's go ahead and rotate this around so you can see me. So we can rotate. Alright, so we can't rotate it like that, but we can switch our camera around. But as you can see me, but the angle is a little too hard. So we can switch our camera around and face it the other way though. So yeah, I am very impressed. Let's go and actually review what we're supposed to be reviewing, and that is our tablet. So it's supposed to be for your tablet like that, and there we go. It can hold our tablet perfectly, even with a case on it. So yeah, and then it can hold the tablet upright like that, strong enough. Super impressed, absolutely super impressed. This gets a 10 out of 10 because I can use it for my phone and tablet, and we can place it right here, and underneath it has these little stoppers to prevent it from sliding. So if I just press it, it takes a lot of force to actually move. And it's got these little rubber pieces here to help protect your phone or your tablet. Yep, gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Links in the video description if you're interested.